Australia's leading manufacturer of timber mouldings and lining boards, Porta, designs and manufactures custom timber profiles. According to international research undertaken for Porta by a USA-based innovation consultant, designing interior spaces with timber is an increasing global trend with emphasis on biophilic design benefits. If you are renovating a period building with existing mouldings and lining boards, or you have a unique profile that you would like for a new build or renovation, our custom design service can deliver the exact profile that you need. Your brief serves as the foundation. It may take the form of a sample, a dimensioned sketch, or a technical drawing. Our design consultants and engineers take this brief and use CAD to design the profile to the exact specification required. Then once the profile is designed in CAD, we make a sample on a 3D printer for your approval. Whilst we are designing the profile, we work with you to source the most suitable timber species for your project. Then the tooling process begins. Upon approval of our quote, we manufacture a custom tool which is unique to every project. Subsequently, production commences. One of our projects, the new Molino Carl office, features custom mouldings which create curved partitions combined with our standard contours profile in Tasmanian oak. This is a prestigious project designed by IA Design. And another example recently completed is a prominent project where we were approached due to our contours lining board range. Using the width of contours boards as a base, we created a design to match a profile supplied to us by a Hong Kong architectural firm representing a leading French fashion brand. We emulated the existing design and sourced European oak to match the specifications from France. Our custom mouldings capability also applies to external timbers as demonstrated at the Penguin Parade on Phillip Island, where we designed a custom handrail made from kumaru, which is now featured on the boardwalks around the nature park. Our product development and design team love working on custom projects. To create your own custom profile, please contact us and our team will work with you on a custom timber specification that is tailored to your requirements.